made amazing lasagna. It was amazing. Let's take a look at the lasagna. Didn't you see it? It was yummy.
Hello friends, welcome to sinkintomycreation.com, and today's theme is world cuisine. So I choose to make some lasagna with you. Lasagna is an Italian dish, it's a layered pasta. We have the lasagna sheets, it's like long pasta sheets, and we layered with different marinara sauce and other cheese and choice of your vegetable and meats, and we'll bake it in the oven for some time, and it will be a nice choice of your dinner or lunch or your party or for your kids.
Lights, camera, action.
Hey guys, today is again I'm telling that we choose the world cuisine, so I'm going to share some recipe of lasagna. And you know, lasagna is an Italian and very tasty dish, and I wanted to share with you. So hope you guys are going to enjoy this episode about world cuisine. Here is all the simple ingredients for lasagna: boiled pasta sheets, cooked ground chicken. You can choose choice of your meat. Few garlics, ground meat, salt, pepper, if you are vegetarian, please choose choice of your vegetables like roasted zucchini or bell pepper or spinach. And here is some mozzarella and chopped basils, 1 whole egg, some chopped garlic, salt, pepper, chopped spinach, some store-bought marinara or pasta sauce, and some ricotta cheese. We'll be mixing our ricotta cheese, 1 whole egg, few mozzarella or parmesan together. We are adding the mixture of ricotta cheese and parmesan and 1 whole egg to the spinach, and we'll make one mixture. We'll add some salt, garlic, freshly ground pepper. Friends, we'll be layering up our pasta. So bottom layer marinara goes in. If you don't need more sauce, or if you need your pasta or lasagna to become dry, please don't add more sauce. The choice is yours. We'll be adding 2 pasta sheets. Second layer with this ricotta and parm and this spinach mixture. This is adding some ground meat. If you are vegetarian, please go for some roasted zucchini or choice of your vegetables. Let's place the pasta seeds on the other way. And gently pour choice of your sauce again from the top. Some mozzarella from the top. So if you are having Italian cuisine and if you think that you will reduce the cheese, that's not possible. So I'm just swing whatever is the original recipe. You can definitely modify with your choice. Some basils from the top for good smell, and pepper, pinch of salt. Our lasagna is ready to get into the oven. We'll bake it for 40 minutes. After 30 minutes, we'll remove the cover and we'll just get some crust. Degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for 40 minutes. We are taking out after 30 minutes of baking inside 350 Fahrenheit. We are going to remove the cover. We'll bake it 10-15 minutes more to get the top crust. Look how beautiful it is. Be taking it out from the oven. Our beautiful lasagna is ready and out of the oven. Now it's ready to serve and hop on it. Our beautiful and colorful lasagna is ready right here. So are you going to make it and enjoy? This is a really yummy and tasty dish. And don't forget to subscribe my channel www.sinkintomykitchen.com, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/sinkintomykitchen.